I get it. Finding the right robot vacuum can feel like a daunting task, especially when you've got pets and hardwood floors. I bought and tested 5 popular models to save you the headache and money. I'm here to share my honest experiences, so let's dive in.
Product number 1, T-Com G8000 Max. When I first unboxed the T-Com G8000 Max, I was impressed by its sleek design and ultra-slim profile. At just 2.99 inches high, it easily glided under my furniture. I set it up and was amazed by the 5,000-pound suction power. I have a golden retriever, and his fur can be a real nuisance. I ran the G8000 Max on a mix of hardwood floors and short pile carpets. I was pleasantly surprised at how well it picked up the hair without missing a beat. The simultaneous vacuuming and mopping feature saved me time, and the 150-minute runtime meant it could tackle my entire house. The app control was a breeze. I could set cleaning schedules and even control it remotely. However, I did notice that it occasionally got stuck on thicker rugs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's effective on pet hair and hardwood, this is a solid choice. Just keep in mind that it might struggle with thicker carpets. Overall, the T-Com G8000 Max is a fantastic vacuum for anyone who wants an efficient, hands-free cleaning solution.
Product number 2, T-Com L8000 Plus. The T-Com L8000 Plus took my cleaning experience to another level. Right out of the box, I was struck by its advanced LiDAR navigation. It mapped my home in no time and avoided any obstacles effortlessly. The self-emptying base is a game changer. It holds 3 liters of debris, so I didn't have to think about emptying it for weeks. When it comes to suction power, 6,000 PA is no joke. I tested it on both hardwood floors and carpets, and it switched to high power automatically when it sensed carpet. The customizable cleaning modes through the app were impressive, allowing me to set no-go zones and schedule cleanings. However, I did have to keep an eye on the water tank during mopping sessions, as it could run out quickly. Still, the L8000 Plus is perfect for pet owners who want a hands-free experience with minimal maintenance. If you're ready to invest in a feature-rich vacuum, this one won't disappoint.
Product number 3, ROP Vacnic S1. I decided to give the ROP Vacnic S1 a shot, and I was pleasantly surprised. This budget-friendly model packs a punch with 4,000 PA of suction power. The 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming feature was effective. I loved how it tackled both tasks in one go. The personalized cleaning adjustments made it easy to set the right suction level for different areas. One of my favorite aspects was the advanced obstacle avoidance technology. It navigated around furniture with ease. However, the small dustbin meant I had to empty it more often than I'd like. Still, considering its price point, the ROP Vacnic S1 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable vacuum that doesn't break the bank. If you're a pet owner on a budget, this could be the perfect fit for your needs.
Product number 4, Shark AI Ultra. The Shark AI Ultra is a premium robot vacuum that left a lasting impression on me. Its self-emptying base is a blessing. I didn't have to deal with emptying the dustbin for up to 60 days. The Matrix Clean navigation ensured that no spot was missed, and I loved the precision mapping. The suction power was outstanding, and it handled both carpets and hardwood with ease. I was particularly impressed by the self-cleaning brush roll, which tackled pet hair without a hitch. On the downside, it is on the pricier side, which might be a consideration for some. However, if you have pets and want a vacuum that truly works, the Shark AI Ultra is worth every penny. Product number 5, Shark AV2610WA. Lastly, I tested the Shark AV2610WA, and it didn't disappoint. This robot vacuum and mop combo is versatile and extremely effective. The sonic mopping feature was surprisingly powerful, scrubbing my hardwood floors clean while the vacuum picked up debris. The Matrix Plus technology ensured thorough coverage, and the HEPA filtration was a nice touch for allergy sufferers. It's great for homes with pets, as it efficiently picks up hair and dander. One drawback I noticed was that the larger size made it slightly less maneuverable in tight spaces, but it wasn't a deal breaker. If you're seeking a robust cleaning solution for both carpets and hard floors, the Shark AV2610WA is a worthy contender. This model's combination of vacuuming and mopping capabilities makes it ideal for busy households.